Adding even more personalization features and thrills for Mustang customers direct from the factory, Ford introduces an all-new appearance package and a performance-minded update for the 2022 model year. Mustang, the world's best-selling sports car, will debut a first-ever stealth appearance package available for the EcoBoost Premium model, while Mustang GT California Special will offer for the first time ever a GT Performance package option. Adding even more style to the 310 turbocharged horsepower Mustang EcoBoost Premium model, the available Stealth Edition appearance package stays true to its name, giving customers a more menacing-looking fastback with uniquely blacked-out appointments. The Stealth Edition appearance package features 19-inch ebony black-painted aluminum wheels, black pony badges, performance rear wing, black mirror caps and new clear LED tail lamp covers, also shared with the new Mustang Ice White appearance package. Unique new interior appointments include a matte and gloss black instrument panel badge and lighted sill plate. The Stealth Edition is available in Atlas Blue, Carbonized Gray, Dark Matter and Shadow Black. Since the first generation Mustang, the California Special has represented a uniquely regionalized appearance package with special styling cues. The updated 2022 Mustang GT California Special embodies this tradition. Based on the 2022 Mustang GT Premium Fastback and convertible models, the latest California Special appearance package pays homage to the original version's blacked-out grille, side racing stripes and rear fender scoop. The heritage-inspired GTCS side stripe trademark traces from the front fender to the signature rear fender scoop. A California Special badge in ebony black and race red script adorns the trunk lid, while the honeycomb grille with GTCS badge provides a unique look. A larger front splitter from the GT Performance package underscores the icon's handling prowess. A performance rear wing from the GT Performance package is available for the fastback model, while spoiler delete is standard for the California Special convertible. The California Special wears unique 5-spoke 19-inch painted machined wheels. Under the hood, this special edition features a signature strut tower brace with California Special badge atop its 5.0-liter V8 engine. Interior appointments include rich black Myco suede trimmed door inserts and suede trimmed seats with the embossed GTCS logo and red contrast stitching, along with custom embroidered GTCS floor mats. The instrument panel is finished in carbon hex aluminum with a signature California Special script badge on the passenger side. As a California Special first, the GT Performance package is now available, enabling greater handling and driving dynamics for the most capable California Special ever. The GT Performance package adds an array of performance and handling features including Brembo 6-piston front brake calipers, unique chassis tuning with heavy-duty front springs, larger tubular rear sway bar, overall lower ride height, K-brace, strut tower brace, front subframe V-brace, Torsen limited slip differential, unique stability control and electric power steering tuning. Staggered 19 by 9 inch front and 19 by 9.5 inch rear wheels with Pirelli summer tires further the handling grip. The California Special is available in Atlas Blue, Carbonized Gray, Cyber Orange, Dark Matter, Grabber Blue Metallic, Iconic Silver, Rapid Red, Shadow Black and Oxford White. Orders for the 2022 Mustang including Stealth Edition and California Special, open later this year. Vehicles are due in showrooms in the first quarter of 2022.